Let's head back closer to home, as in your home. Insurance costs are climbing and Georgians are feeling the squeeze.
Well, now state lawmakers are investigating what is driving the spike and whether you're paying more than you should. Atlanta News First reporter Abby Casores explains.
Hurricane damage, a car accident, a business gets robbed. These are the moments when insurance is supposed to help. But in Georgia, coverage is getting harder to afford. The U.S. Department of Labor says insurance costs here are among the highest in the nation.
I feel like I got robbed.
A Georgia study committee is investigating rate-setting practices, profit margins, and claims processing. Their goal is to ensure that Georgia businesses and citizens aren't subjected to unjustified rate hikes. At a packed hearing on Thursday, Georgia Insurance Commissioner John King blamed fraud, saying it's costing everyone.
The consumer gets caught in the middle. They get crushed.
King says Georgia has the second highest amount of insurance fraud. King says most fraud happens in auto insurance, and district attorneys rarely prosecute. His office gets 11,000 complaints a year, returning $100 million to consumers since he took office. But not everyone buys that fraud is driving up our rates.
The data revealed that there is no litigation crisis in the state of Georgia, that the number of claims in Georgia is stable when adjusted for population.
The Georgia Trial Lawyers Association pointed instead to record-breaking industry profits, $169 billion nationwide last year, and Georgians who lived through the loss during Hurricane Helene say the industry can feel stacked against them.
I saw my friends down there literally in the streets crying. I saw insurance companies show up. I saw FEMA show up and $200 checks for people whose lives are destroyed.
Committee members say the goal is to make sure insurance costs aren't unfairly passed on to hardworking families.
Georgia is working to find some Georgia solutions to this issue.
The committee will meet several more times across the state, including the coast, still recovering after Hurricane Helene. Their recommendations could help guide changes that could impact your insurance premiums. In Atlanta, I'm Abby Casores.